Welcome to our van life with our three dogs at Lassen National Forest, episode 54. We thank you for joining us in our journey as we traverse a new van life with one less chihuahua. Calm down. Sit down. Stop for gas. And then I turned, and this is what I saw. She came out of her backpack and got on top of the table. So Chewbacca's in the back, right there. We are heading to Mount Lassen National Park. We also brought Jabba with us. He is sitting right here. But brought himself a footprint right here. Excuse me, Bo. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. We are headed to Mount Lassen National Park. It'll be the first time for us there. So we have no idea of what the whole place looks like. So we're excited to see it and show you. We just got through the mountain pass where it was super windy.
Forest fire and logged here, so it's all burned down forest from the fires the last couple of years. And we're going to go out and explore Lassen National Park. Definitely hit a visitor center and try to also explore the nearby area around Christie Campground.
We are about 2.6 miles away from our campground. Yoda boy started fussing a little bit. I think he is tired of being in the van. And now it's currently 64 degrees. So we will see what it looks like once we get there. Looks like there are more campgrounds out here.
Oh wow.
We will be camping at Christie Campground here at Eagle Lake. Boba, are you ready? Look, she's double jointed on her legs. It's like the cutest thing about her. Boba, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's go potty.
So this is the Christie Campground and has a little trail down to the lake. That's Eagle Lake. We'll go down there. And one little learning curve that we found is this is a nice, not super crowded camp spot, but we're actually not in Lassen National Park. So we're going to explore that tomorrow. We are here in Lassen National Forest, the Christie Campground. Doggies are ready to relax. Yoda and Pia are hanging out. And these are the campsites. Very simple, no hookups here, but have a picnic table, fire pit, and some flat area around here. So over behind us, there's nobody in the group site, so we have a lot of room. Pretty cool.
Hi everyone, welcome back, or if you're new to our channel, welcome. We just got here to our campsite at Christie Campground at Eagle Lake by Lassen National Park. We are getting our stuff set up. I'm trying this new setup for the iPhone. It's got a little microphone and a light attached to the stand, so I wanted to give it a try and see how well it'll work out. It's super bright, but here's Yoda, and he's a little bit sleepy right now, but he is ready to eat. So Sean is gonna cook tonight. We'll show you what he's cooking, and I am gonna go and set up the van so that after dinner we can get settled for the night.
All right, we got the easy arrival camping dinner of champions. Salad with some veggies added, ready-made sausages on the grill. Chihuahuas waiting in their bed. Hey, where you at, you girl? How you doing, Pia?
Good, except Starlink's not working.
Yes, Starlink is having issues. It's still searching. There is a gap above the trees, but it's not finding it yet.
This is our second time out camping without Jabba. Although he is not with us physically, he is still camping with us. I brought his paw print with us, so this is Jabba's paw print. Has his name, and everywhere we go, he comes with us. And we did receive his ashes about a week ago, and that was actually pretty difficult because although he is not with us physically, he is still with us in spirit, and I know he's always here to guide us. It was interesting, Sean and I had dreamt of him on the same night, and it was kind of like a bittersweet moment because he looked happy in my dream. He was out playing with other dogs. Okay, so I didn't think it would be so difficult to talk about Jabba, but I dreamt of Jabba. He looked happy. He was in my dream. He looked really happy. He was playing with other animals, and I think it was his way of letting us know that he was okay and that we should not feel sad or lonely about him not being with us.